What's going on, guys? Right here. We are going to the motorcycle show today, and I finally get to drive in a BMW. BMW. Chris is gonna kill me for this later. You're good. Oh, this is nice. I like this.
You even have your own climate control back there.
This is the good life. Dang, this is nice. So what's going on, guys? What are you guys doing?
Right here.
All right, we're on our way.
Who the fuck are you?
Oh!
Yeah.
Who the fuck are Let's go!
All right, guys, first time at the IMS, right? Yeah.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
International Motorcycle Show. And I'm about to go spank my monkey. All right, guys, this is the monkey. I'm gonna hop on this one. Oh, this feels nice. The seat is so squishy. Oh, this is cool. This is cool. All right, Chris is hopping on.
Scrunchy face again.
Right? I don't know.
It's not cute.
I'd be like sitting back here. Same thing. Just half the cars.
All right, guys, I probably won't be doing a whole lot of talking. We already did it once through, and we're just, I guess, going around again. Still going to be looking for some gloves and things like that. But this is my first time here. Just enjoying all the bikes, taking in all the sights. So this is going to be fun. I'm just going to show you guys some of the other bikes that they got to offer here in just a little bit. But this place is huge. This place is huge. But you'll see everything they got. All right, this is my first time seeing the R3 in person. And I gotta say, I like it a lot better than I did seeing it in pictures and video. They already did the inverted clips, new display. I actually like the headlights better in person. I actually like it a lot more than I did before. So for all you beginner riders out there who are thinking about Yamaha, I don't know, this R3 is pretty nice. And MT10. There you go, Travis.
Man, that's weird, dude.
Allie, there's a scrunch your face again.
That's weird from riding it upright to that.
There you go, Chris.
That is insanely aggressive. I could not do this.
It's a fucking bike. It's not a bike.
Could you see doing that for hours and hours on end?
I could not ride this. I couldn't even ride for like 2 minutes.
Eat your heart out. have to try them.
But this is about how we eat. This is about how this is.
Yeah, I think you're right, actually.
Let's see this guys.
All right, let's check out that single side swing arm. That's nice.
It's lower than the big bag. Try it out, Wayne.
Let's go. Turn up. Let's go.